taking over them streets. This is chaos. Representing with the fixie goons.
Oh, yeah, what's up, bro?
Them fixie goons. Rolling through them shits. We do this ride every week. Keep that wheel up. I'm kind of jelly. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we keep that wheel up.
Yeah, that's what's up. My man's got wheelies for days.
Oh, yeah.
Keep that wheel up.
Stopping.
Hell yeah, very bright and shit.
The whole squad. We out here. Emergency surgery on the joint. He's wearing the battery shirt. Drink, 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 drink. My glasses. My glasses. Yo, we're at the Thursday night ride. I'm gonna give you a little rundown of my bike. Look at it, check it out. Mixtape wheels, so check out my mixtape. Fixation session tires. These are like 28 C1s, fatty, I like it, I like it. Yeah, we got All City Cog, Odyssey Bluebird chain. Omniums are dank, they're really good. Fixation Mesa thin pedals with the Gates strap, Fixation Gates strap. Of course, you know we got the look frame. What is it? AC 364. Chrome on chrome on chrome. Chrome lugs. Look at them babies. Chris King Sodavachi. That means it's black on black. All black, baby. Thompson. I think this is 70 millimeter. These are 830 millimeters. Super wide. Mash SF bars. Thompson setback. It's got a little bit of room there. Check it out. And then the Mash saddle. Let's get it. Cut. They mentioned that here. Alright, you know what's good. Hold it. Fucking head. I just keep the wheel up, film myself, you know. Oh.
You want to do it down to...
Oh shit, I'm trying to cross the whole fucking bridge.
Oh shit.
along skid. Here we go.
Oh shit! Sorry, buddy.
Hey, you're good.